Blocking the ends of a crack before sealing prevents sealant from running out and gives a clean, controlled finish. When you block the ends of a crack before applying sealant, you are using a simple containment technique that preserves material and improves appearance. Start by cleaning the crack thoroughly with a stiff brush and vacuum or compressed air to remove dust and debris so the barrier sits on solid surfaces. For shallow cracks, use painter tape placed a 1/4 inch away from each edge to create a straight boundary and press the tape down firmly so sealant does not seep underneath. For deeper gaps, insert a backer rod or a strip of stiff foam to act as a physical stop and reduce the amount of sealant needed while maintaining correct joint depth. Apply sealant slowly from one end toward the blocked ends to avoid air pockets, and tool the bead with a wet spatula or gloved finger within the product. Working time to ensure adhesion and a smooth profile. After the sealant skins over, remove tape or foam gently at a 45-degree angle away from the joint to leave crisp edges and avoid pulling cured material out of the crack. A common mistake is failing to clean the crack first, which leads to poor adhesion and early failure. Always remove loose material and contaminants before blocking or sealing. Another frequent issue is using the wrong barrier material for depth and movement. Tape alone is fine for surface control, but use foam or backer rod in deep gaps to prevent wasting sealant and to control joint geometry. People also often remove tape too early or too late, which can smear edges or peel off cured sealant. Remove tape after the sealant skins, but before full cure and pull at a sharp angle. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for sealing and other projects, while also helping contractors find work and connect with customers. We host a discussion community where people share tips and experiences about techniques like end blocking, product selection, and tool use so we can all learn from each other.